Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about the kitchen. You will learn simple English words and phrases to describe your kitchen and daily routine. Let's get started.
Hello. Welcome to my kitchen. This is my favorite place in the house. I cook here every day. This is my fridge. I keep milk, eggs, vegetables, and fruits inside. Here is the stove. I use it to cook meals. I also have an oven. I bake cakes and cookies in it. On the counter, I have a toaster. I use it to make toast in the morning. This is my blender. I make smoothies with fruits and milk. In the cupboard, I have plates, bowls, and cups. I also have forks, knives, and spoons in the drawer. The sink is here. I wash the dishes after eating. I also have a trash bin. I throw garbage in it. I love my kitchen. It is small but very nice. Every morning I wake up early and make breakfast. I usually have toast and coffee. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. I cook lunch in the afternoon and sometimes bake a cake. In the evening, I prepare dinner for my family. For dinner, I often make pasta with tomato sauce, grilled chicken with rice, or vegetable soup. Sometimes I make a salad with fresh vegetables and a homemade dressing. Basically, this is my kitchen routine. Cook, clean, and take care of my family. I am a housewife, so I spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I love making delicious meals and keeping my kitchen organized. I enjoy cooking for my family. It makes me happy to see my family enjoy the food I prepare. What do you have in your kitchen?
In this video, you learned the following words: fridge, stove, oven, toaster, blender, cupboard, drawer, sink, and trash bin. Now, let's review other words that were used in the video. Bake, to cook food in the oven. Example, I bake cookies on the weekend. Counter, a flat surface in the kitchen where you can put things or work. Example, I put the blender on the counter. Spend, to use time doing something. Example, I spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Plates, bowls, and cups. Example, in the cupboard, I have plates, bowls, and cups. Forks, knives, and spoons. Example, I have forks, knives, and spoons in the drawer. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned some new words and phrases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more English lessons. See you in the next video.